All right, guys. We'll each take some petitions, head out to wherever, get some names, and meet back here. What do you say?
Billy, it's a great idea, but are you sure you want to be seen as part of this? I mean, what if people start wondering why you're working so hard for Andrew?
She's got a point, Bill. Everybody thinks the Reverend's gay. Now, what if they start wondering about you?
We've got to help Andrew. You in? Let's do it.
Excuse... Yes, Bishop Graham?
Forgive the intrusion, Andrew, but this cannot wait any longer. 2 days ago, I directed you to clean up this mess you've created here at St. James.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
but this chaos surrounding your church, it's spreading. The ramifications are statewide, even national.
It's good.
Oh, so you're proud of that?
No, sir. Pride is a sin.
Then answer the questions that the congregation are asking about your homosexuality, and let's have done with it.
And what am I supposed to do on Sundays when I'm preaching about conscience and I've been false to myself? No, Bishop, I will not do that. Now, I was called to this parish in this town. I'm not going to betray that calling. My silence is a moral position.
Very well. Given your intransigence, I have no option but to honor the request made by certain members of your vestry. And I shall advise them to invoke Title III, Canon 21, a formal application to my office to dissolve the pastoral relationship.
Bishop, if you would only let me state my case.
I have done my best to help you, Andrew. I suggest that you apply to a higher authority, because it's obvious that in this world, at least, you've lost your way.
Hi, I'm from the community center. We're collecting names for petition.
Pass the ketchup.
It's for Reverend Andrew Carpenter. He's the rector of St. James, and he's also the counselor down at the community center.
Oh, yeah, the homo. Yeah, we heard.
He's not. It's about Andrew's right to privacy. You know, if his rights are violated, then we're all in trouble.
You really care about Reverend Carpenter, huh?
Yeah, maybe he has some personal interest.
Look, we just want your names, okay?
What
If
else do you want, sweetie?
You guys want to cut it out?
Oh, you too, honey?
Look, jerks, all we wanted were your signatures. Listen, you probably can't sign your own names.
Alana. They have the right not to sign if they don't want to. Thanks for your time.
Well, thanks a lot.
Renee, it's Andrew Carpenter. Listen, Renee, before we get into this, I really wanted to thank you and Vicki for all your support that you've given me. And I just feel that at this point the price is too high. No, Renee, I've made up my mind on this. I can't drag through friends and family and just about everyone I care about. You know, I just can't drag them through this down, but it's just an abstract principle, you know. So what I need you to do is to call the vestry and tell them that I'm ready to break my silence, and I'll answer all their questions. Okay? Thank you. Yes.
Oh, Rev Meister, you got a minute?
Hello.
Yeah. Look, guys, actually, this isn't a real...
Wait, Billy, show.
For you, Rev.
What you got?
What does it look like? The petitions.
And they show that not everybody is against you.
Yes, that means that you have more friends in this town than enemies. Check the signatures.
Most of them are teens like us, but there's a few adults, too.
And they all say the same thing. They're with you.
We're all with you, Andrew.
You're right.
You're not mad at us, are you?
No. No, I'm not mad. I really I never felt better in my life.
When you call him?
Calling a member of the vestry. I changed my mind. I guess we're in this fight. God willing, we're going to win it.
Yeah.
Huh?
All right.